Let's begin with all the latest coming in on coronavirus. As 2 months ago, when there were roughly 1 million coronavirus cases across the world, the order of the day was to shut down countries to prevent infections. And now, the number of cases are soaring past 7 million. The order of the day now to reopen countries. The world is watching economies built over the course of decades hollow out in just a matter of weeks. The economic pain is unlike anything seen in generations. India is now registering record new daily infections, which is greater than all. But US and Brazil, much of India's coronavirus lockdown has ended. The country is struggling to balance economic damage with coronavirus risk. Compared to when the lockdown was in place, India is reporting over 9,000 new cases every day for the past 10 days. Over 106,000 new cases have been reported in India in just the last 10 days. In Russia, politics is playing the most important role in the push to reopen the economy. As of May 30th, there were over 396,000 cases in Russia. In a span of 10 days, the infections rose to over 493,000, which implies roughly 1 lakh new infections in just 10 days. Iran became one of the most alarming centers of the pandemic early on. Due to reopening the lockdown, the second surge of infections has arrived. And in a matter of 10 days, 30,000 new cases have been reported. In Brazil, hospitals and morgues are saturated. So are the crematoriums. Mexican doctors fear that the worst is yet to come. Parts of Brazil have opened up, while the deaths have surpassed the 40,000 mark. The leaders of these countries have come to feel that they have no choice but to take the surge of cases on the chin and prioritize not just lives but livelihoods as well. Lockdowns cannot be pushed without risking an economic catastrophe. Social distancing rules in many places and adherence to them remain haphazard. Little match for the most basic of human desires to connect